This Lenten season, take this time to pause, reconnect with yourself, and find peace away from the noise of everyday life.
Hi guys, I'm here at Maniwaya Island.
For this Holy Week, reflect and chill to Maniwaya Island. This is a joiner tour for Maniwaya Island in Marinduque. This is good for 3 days and 2 nights for only 5,000 pesos per person, with the inclusions of round-trip van transportation, boat transfers, tent accommodation with room upgrade option, island hopping for 1 day, and you got to visit Palad Sandbar, Ungab Rock Formation, Sunong Bato, and Maniwaya Island with side trip to Girasales Farm. For the trip, we leave Manila at midnight and surprisingly, hindi masyadong traffic kasi siguro of the gas hike kaya wala na masyadong bumabiyahe unlike last year. Then, unti-unting sisilip ang sunrise habang papunta ka sa isang island escape that feels so peaceful and refreshing. Pagdating sa port, sasakay tayo ng bangka and as you get closer, you'll see Maniwaya Island welcoming you with its clear waters and white sand, instant calm, instant reset.
Welcome to Maniwaya. No, di ba?
Room E, Kubo accommodation.
This is the Kubo.
Okay, let's check out the Kubo. So, bed for 2 person and an electric fan.
Okay na yan, hindi naman
Pero
ako
hindi na muna chill agad because day 1 pa lang, adventure na agad. Diretsong island hopping right after the arrival. Explore Ungab Rock Formation na parang natural masterpiece, mag-snorkeling sa malinaw na tubig with vibrant marine life and syempre the highlight, the Palad Sandbar. Sobrang ganda parang nasa ibang bansa ka sa linis at kulay ng tubig. After that, balik sa resort for a well-deserved hosted lunch with Anli Rice. Then, free time to explore, maghabal around the island or simply relax by the beach. As golden hour hits, ibang level yung vibe. Soft waves, peaceful surroundings, and that main character moment you didn't know you needed.